good news on the cruise lines. They are up right now on the pre-markets. But I did notice this morning that Royal Caribbean announcing their first quarter financials. So they're kind of giving indications. They have lost another billion plus, 1.5 billion in the first quarter officially. Virtually no income coming in. They're burning over 300 million a month. That's 10 million a day is evaporating from the bank account of Royal Caribbean every day, and will continue to do so until at least July or August. Because remember, folks, you might be allowed to start sailing again, but in order to sail, you've got to get your cruise line up and running. You got to get your staff back going. You got to open your offices. You got to spend a pile of cash to get up and operational again, and that means more than 300 million a month will start going out the door for about 6 months to just operate, get back up and running again. And so for Royal Caribbean, they're going to burn off in the next 6 months $2.5 billion more. And most of their passengers, remember, most of their passengers for the next 2 years likely will be those that they owe cruises to. There are IOUs for every cruise line into the millions, into the tens of millions of passengers. How many people out there took future cruise credits a year ago in April thinking, oh, it's only 3 months and then I'll get on a cruise in the fall. I'll go then. Didn't happen. It got forwarded. The cruise lines are on the hook for tens of billions of dollars of cruises that they will not get any fresh cash for. The only fresh cash they're going to get from those passengers are in the casino, drinking, although a lot of them are getting drink packages just thrown in just to come on back, Wi-Fi packages perhaps, and other onboard spending, and perhaps some onshore money. But onshore money may be very restricted because the CDC will say, possibly, yeah, you can sail, but you cannot disembark people in this country or this country or this country. You have to keep them on the ship. Or you can only go to Coco Key, your private island, and it's a 6-hour stay and then get off. You cannot go to downtown Nassau, or you cannot go to Freeport, or you can't go to this city in this country. I mean, there could be so many restrictions that the cruise ships will basically start in Florida somewhere, go out for 4 days to their private resort island only after maybe the second day, and then have 1 or 2 more days at sea, and then come back. And that means the cruise lines will not make extra money from shore excursions. And this is big cash. These are huge commissions. It's not uncommon for passengers to pay, say, $80 each for a 6-hour outing or a 4-hour outing. And half of that is cruise ship commissions. Easy half. They're not going to get much of that this year. So for 2021, I don't expect any cruise line to even break even, nowhere near break even. And for 2022, they'll be lucky to break even in 2022. All the cruise lines, they'll be thrilled that they actually did break even in 2022. It won't be until 2023 that they will have enough new passengers who are going to pay cash to get on a ship and shore excursions again and everything else. And this, of course, is assuming the big assumption everything's going back to normal. Is it? Will it? Can it? That's the catch. So lots to worry about, wonder about. Anyway, that's what I have for you on the cruise line news. But I know that cruisers are excited, and why wouldn't they be? This is the best news we've had coming out of the cruise ship business for a long time, that maybe, possibly, the light at the end of the tunnel is just in front of us. We're almost there. Yeah, let's hope for the best. All right. I know airlines are gearing up. Delta wants to hire more pilots to get ready. I believe a few other airlines have started putting out notices to their cabin crew and ground crew. We need you. We got to get you back in here. And of course, the vaccine rollout continues, and Americans are definitely leading the world right now with regards to, as far as the G20 countries go, to getting inoculated. It's fantastic news. It's absolutely a phenomenally good thing that America is on a roll with the vaccine rollouts. Here in Canada, we're envious, and we're just so pleased I'll just say as an observer of America from over here, I'm kind of going, it's about time that America is leading the world again the way they should and can. And this vaccine rollout, this is great, man. This shows American know-how, ingenuity, drive, and commitment. The money is there, the vaccines are there. Now it's getting done, and I'm a happy guy because I want America to be so healthy, so fast, so that we can open the border. We're behind you. We're coming in with our vaccine counts. I want the border open. I want Canada and the USA to be coming and going all we want. I can't wait as a Canadian that live. I'm on the border. I'm 2 miles away. It's right there. America's right there. I can't go. I can't wait for this to happen. So yeah, keep going, baby. USA all the way. This is beautiful stuff. Thank you, all of you out there who are getting your shots. Get those shots and get it over with, and let's move on, please, please. Anyway, there you have it. Okay, what else can I talk to you about this morning? We have a 161-point gain on the pre-market for the Dow. We are now 24 minutes away from opening this morning. We got GameStop pushing 178, 179 now on the morning run. Still about even from last night. We closed last night 178.58, so it's got to be 179 or higher to even be up on the day. Volume on the pre-market for GameStop, 29,500. Let's not get excited about where we're at right now. We are not doing a thing yet. We have got plans to go much higher for this stock. The S&P 500 is showing a 31-point gain right now, and NASDAQ up 168. So we definitely have the markets showing, everything to us, tons of upside, and let's hope it keeps coming. Over at our friends at AMC, they're at 11.04 this morning, which is definitely better than last night's close at 10.85. We're up 19 cents here. 614,000 pre-market trading on AMC Entertainment. They got as high as about 11, 11.12, something like that. There was an article that came out this morning, unfortunately, though, talking about something like, avoid the stock at all costs or something like that. Yeah, should you buy AMC stock? These analysts say not at any price. So there are analysts out there warning their followers to avoid the AMC shares, and they're obviously talking about the corporate side, the absolute cash register, corporate cash flow side of the argument, and they're not talking about what maybe some AMC people want people to talk about, which is a possible short squeeze, gamma squeeze, what have you. That is just not being covered at this point. Fifth Wall acquisition, by the way, a 10.65 up 9 cents. Still holding this level. A Smart Rent merger is definitely being viewed positively by a number of people on the street. Tesla 701. We're back over 700 a share on Tesla, up 660 right now. Good to see that. Not surprised to see it. I would not be surprised if Tesla runs into the 750, 800 range. As each day goes by, it'll just get stronger again. I don't see any downside at the moment for Tesla shares. Social Capital IPOE up again, 17.90 right now, up 35 cents in the pre-market. It hit 18 something. It was over 18 just a few minutes ago. We're happy about that. Nice to see it doing a little run like that. Again, no news to tell you, but I just get the impression that more and more investors are buying into the SoFi finance story. They like what they hear. They like how diversified the company's becoming. They like that they're buying a bank in California. They're going to have a charter. They're going to be like an investment banker kind of outfit. They have that kind of licensing. They'll have the power to leverage up their dollars and really build their business. And people really are beginning to get it, in that they realize once this merger is done, sometime in May, it's going to be done, second, third week. SoFi, this IPOE, SoFi, it's not going to be anywhere near here. It's not going to be $17 a share anymore. It's 27, it's 37, it's 47. It's gone. It's gone. So you have a limited window to get yourself in there, but they've had a good week or so, about a good 10-day window lately. Those shares have been improving, in price. Let me just double check here on my little telephone. I mean, this is the week here. I mean, this is nothing incredible, but this is the 1 week run here. This is from the high 15s up to now 1755. As blurry as that photo is, you can see that chart. That's the last week. But I will caution you that in the last 3 months or 6 months, yeah, here's the 6 month chart. It came out as a SPAC at 10, and then went way up here to, I think it was 28, 28, 26. Yeah, 28, 26. And it came back down. But the dip was about a week and a bit ago, right over here, right over there. That was the low, a recent low of about 14 something. And now it's 1755. So you've had a shot here. A little dip has been given you, but this might be it. This might be the last of your dips, because from here, as we get closer and closer to merger day, which again is, I think, the second or third week of May, we're kind of getting rumors. To me, I think this thing's going to go much higher. We'll see what's going on. All right, well, that was just yesterday's quote. That is not right now. This chart I'm showing you has nothing to do with this morning's action. Again, IPOE this morning, is trading at 17.95, up 40 cents. It's approaching 18 now. And so it's gone from that 14 level, 15 level to now to the 18 level. And there's excitement building over there for sure. All right, so keep an eye on that one. Yes, my $15 call. I'm excited. All right. Ben Serpa, hey, Bruce, I bought IPOE at 16. Thank you. Most of my money is tied up in GameStop, trying to buy 100 of each of your SPACs. Of your remaining SPACs, which are the most urgent to buy now, and which ones can wait? I get asked this 10 times a day, 20 times a day, every day, and I can't tell you. I cannot tell you which deal gets done first, second, third, fourth, and what day and what time, and I can't. I don't know. I don't know. They don't tell me this stuff, and this is not publicly available information. You're after stuff that I don't know. I don't know if anyone knows this answer. I really don't. Everyone has an opinion, and that's all right. Have your opinion and go with it. But I don't even think the regulators can tell you. If I threw a list of my SPACs in front of an SEC official, they'd look at me and go, "What do you want me to tell you?" And I'd go, "Well, tell me which deal is going to be first, and which deal is going to be second and third." And they look at me, "Get out of my office!" Like, I don't know. This is all. The paperwork is a mile high at each of these guys' offices. Their lawyers, their corporate lawyers, are drowning in documentation and filings. One deal could be a day away, one deal could be 15 days away, one deal could be 40 days away, and don't quote me on that. And there you go. There's no answer that I can give you that'll satisfy you. I can't get an answer that'll satisfy me. I can only tell you that these deals have been in the works now for over 60 days. That I can tell you. And they all take about 90 days to complete. So logic says we're less than a month away on all these deals, and it could be that 3 of them, in 2 days get done, just bang, 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 and then nothing for 2 weeks, and then bang, bang, they happen again. I don't know. I'm here. I'll be here watching it. So hate to say it, but you're going to have to stick around and watch my channel. It's the best I can give you. But I'll tell you this, I'll make you a promise. I'll be here covering it. You can count on that, and we'll see what's going on. Anyway, there you have it, guys. Thank you so much. We're now 179.58, starting to hit 180 again on GameStop. So we're just up a buck or so now. Good stuff. Thumbs ups for Uncle Bruce. Thank you, all of you out there who are already giving me a thumbs up for this live show. I appreciate it. We have already got 543 thumbs ups in only 44 minutes. How can I complain about that? Thank you, all of you, for throwing some thumbs ups our way. Get us to 1,000 as soon as possible. YouTube will throw us more viewers. They'll push this channel out to other people who don't know we exist. The more folks that find out we exist, the more folks will figure out that, hey, these guys like GameStop. They like these SPACs. I've never heard about these companies before. Why are they talking about, oh, that's why. Oh, those are interesting sounding company. And the next thing you know, new subscribers, new members, new buyers of these shares, and they become joiners. And we grow this Uncle Bruce family to become a powerhouse investment group of some size. Not that I'm leading any investors or with everything else, but Just saying, there's power in numbers, and the numbers are climbing. The higher the thumbs ups go. It's just simple as that. It sounds so stupid, but if you folks can throw a thumbs up to this show, you're actually doing yourselves a favor. You're telling the world to follow this channel and follow some of your favorite investments, your favorite stocks. It's just every day throw a thumbs up at this show. They're free to hand out, and YouTube is what they're looking for. They are looking for your engagement with me, of course, which they really react to, and these thumbs ups. There we are, 680 right now. These thumbs ups that they come in, 693, absolutely tells YouTube this is a channel on the move. This is a channel that we should be promoting to our billion people out there. Billion people. Man, if we had 1 million subscribers, I would bet you we'd have 20 million shares of GameStop on this channel. Just to give you an idea of the power of the numbers. If we had that kind of a following as we grow it out, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. The more subscribers we get, the more followers on this show, the more followers on the stocks that we're following, the better. It's just that simple. We have 2,069 people watching right at this moment in time. If we could bring that to 20,000 people watching at this time, 100 shares each of GameStop, just on average, just do your math. There's 2 million shares watching right now while we're talking about GameStop. Just an IPOE and Gores Holdings and VGAC and on it goes. I mean, the power of the numbers are there, and you can help yourself by bringing others on board by just hitting the thumbs up button. It's just one little thing. Hate to keep bringing it up, but I have to. Everyone does, and we are desperate for it. Anyway, there you go, guys. Let's see what happens. Ron is asking me, Bruce, Nokia released their great earnings. Any thoughts? I don't, Ron. I don't follow the company in any way. I just don't. I obviously have no time. And so I can't give you an opinion. Whatever I say is pure guesswork, and you don't want to hear that. I keep pumping cash into VGAC. Right on, Ashley. Let's see here. Way to go, guys. Power to the people. That's right. Dan is saying this is driving me nuts. This price is moving up and down a couple of bucks around my average price per share for days now. By the way, IPOE just broke $18, $18.01 now on IPOE again. It's getting stronger. Beautiful stuff. Let me take a look at some of our other favorites here. Back to GameStop for a second. Yeah, 178.90 on GameStop now. Just touched 180 a few moments ago, or at least it tried to. Watching that closely. There it goes, 178.99. We've got AMC right now sitting at 10.98, up 13 cents. We're 12 minutes away from the opening now. We've got FAII, Fortress Value, at 10.09, up a nickel. It's been improving a little bit this week. ATI Physical Therapies will be merging with that one. We know that. The fifth wall acquisition, 10.65, up 9. Mentioned that already. Very, very good. Let's take a look at VGAC. How are we doing over here on VGAC? We've got it at 10.05, up 2 cents on the pre-market. That's going to become 23andMe. Richard Branson and his gang ready to speak all about this company to let the world in on what they're all about. So we got a lot of news coming up, guys, on all of these stocks. But I cannot tell you which one you should buy first. I cannot tell you. That's pure guesswork on my part. Now, I don't want to be held liable for guessing wrongly. What's the point of that? It's not going to do any good. So we'll just see what happens one at a time, guys. That's what we're going to do. Thank you, all of you, for joining me now with 10 minutes to go before we start trading on the day. And hey, Bruce, your thoughts on being locked up for 180 days on your, SPACs? Well, I'm not locked up. I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you mean. Might be the insiders of these companies, those who are merging into the SPACs, they're locked up. Again, I like it. I like that. It shows as a restriction on how many shares can trade freely on the open market. And I think that's good for you guys. By the way, package arrived in the mail yesterday. Thought I'd show you this. When you order from Redbubble, you get one of these stickers on the outside of your box. And this box arrived in the mail yesterday. Let me show you what we got here. We open this baby up. I got 4 coffee mugs that came in, and got some new designs here for these mugs. I was telling you that I've been mentioning to you that we have new logos for Stock Markets with Bruce. Well, let me show you. Here's one of them right here. The Uncle Bruce mug is here. This one is Uncle Bruce. So you can get this logo on T-shirts and all kinds of other designs. Fantastic. So let me put that one over here beside GameStop with Uncle Bruce. Another Stock Markets with Bruce mug. Then we got another one here. Let's pop this guy over right there. All right, we've got, oh yeah, Stock Markets with Uncle Bruce. I think you can get this logo in several colors. I think you can get it in green background and blue. I think you just have to go to the website to check it out. The link is down below for the Redbubble store. Fantastic. We'll pop that guy over there. We're stacking up my mugs. Another mug. Here we go. This one is here. Let's take a look at this one. Stock Markets with Bruce. Bagel time, baby. Bagel time has arrived. Yahoo! Another mug in the house. Right on. I don't know where to put these. Let's try over here. Bagel time right there. And one more mug. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh yeah, this it's kind of a Miami Vice logo. Some of you have mentioned to me. Reminds you of Miami Vice. Here's this one. Stock Markets with Uncle Bruce. Look at that. That's kind of cool. I like this. This is also, these logos are available on shirts and the sweatshirts and hoodies and pillows and stickers and you name it. I mean, just go to my Redbubble store. You'll find the link down below. Anyway, fabulous, man. This is fantastico. We got a bunch of new logos in, and they're here. This is fabulous. Stock Markets with Uncle Bruce. Thank you, all of you who are supporting this channel through Redbubble. Make sure to visit my store, only my store on Redbubble, to get these items. Don't get sucked in to buy on Amazon or anywhere else. We don't sell these mugs anywhere else. Those are all imposters. They're all trying to be Uncle Bruce wannabes. They're scooping the logos from us. They're scooping the royalties. They're scooping the business, and they're pretending to be me, and they're not. It's Redbubble, Bruce Fromert, through the link down below in my channel. And thank you, all of you, for helping us out. All of you buying these and these and these. Jennifer and I get a royalty. Redbubble handles all the logistics. I don't do a darn thing when it comes to making this stuff, shipping it, collecting your money, getting your address wrong. None of that. They handle it all, and they've got a very good reputation. I've had nothing but happy customers tell me they love their product, and they love the way they're treated by Redbubble. So thank you all so much for your support. All right, we are 6-7 minutes to go. What's going to happen here? We're waiting the Bruce. You're always cool. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you, Jennifer, so much. Waiting to open up and see what the stocks are going to do for us. And here we go. SVT Boxer says, my 8-year-old son got his phone this morning before school and gave you a thumbs up. Now, how about that? I mean, how can this channel not succeed when 8-year-olds are giving me thumbs ups? Guys, there are 8-year-olds trying to make you richer by giving my channel a thumbs up to attract more viewers to this channel who are going to hear all about the stocks that you own to help them go higher, because the more buyers we attract to these shares, the higher the shares go. 8-year-olds are helping you out. I'm begging you, help yourself. Help this channel. Throw a thumbs up our way. We're at 874 thumbs ups with 2,000 people here. We really should be over 1,000 by now. Guys, please come on in. The 8-year-olds are jumping already before they go to school. I mean, they got stuff on their mind, man. They got the playground. They got the recess. They got to worry about their bikes. They got to worry about what they're going to do on the weekend. They got to worry about that pretty girl. What do I do with these girls? Why do they like me so much? There's so many concerns that 8-year-olds have, but yet 8-year-olds take the time out of their busy day to throw a thumbs ups on this channel out of nowhere. Guys, thank you so much for helping me out. 951 thumbs ups. They're coming in. We're going to hit 1,000 here in just a minute. Get me to 1,000, and then let's go to 1,500, and let's go to 2,000 thumbs ups and really crush the YouTube analytics computers. Here we are at 9:58 right now. We're going to break 9:60 in just a second. It's happening here. It's happening. It's happening. 9:59 now. They're coming in. Thank you guys for these thumbs ups. I really, really appreciate it. 977. We're only 23 away from 1,000. Just so close. Oh, I can taste it. 978. Oh, you guys are great. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 992. 8 to go, 7 to go, 6 to go, 5 to go, 4 to go, 3 to go, 2 to go, 1 to go. There it is, 1,000. Booyah. Man, you guys are awesome. Thank you for tolerating this old YouTuber. I appreciate it. The 8-year-old, thank you to the 8-year-old. SVT Boxer #1, way to go, man. You did it. You helped me get over 1,000 thumbs up because you gave me a thumbs up. That is awesome. See the power of social media? Is that cool? It's unreal. These thumbs ups are coming from around the world. People from Europe, from Asia, South America, from Africa, everywhere, all over the United States, Canada, Mexico, everywhere, the Caribbean. Thumbs ups from around the world are coming into this channel, which YouTube notices. They go, hey, oh, geez, this guy just isn't popular in Cincinnati. This guy's popular globally. I mean, every time zone is practically covered with this guy. We at YouTube should show off this channel a little more to give people a chance to see him and engage. Maybe he's doing something right. That's because I got the greatest viewers in the world right here. Yeah, absolutely, man. Bring us more. Oh, wonderful. Thank you, everybody, so much. This is great. IPO, he just hit 18 bucks. Man, I wish I got a whole lot more at 14. That's how it works. When you have a winner, you never have enough of a winner. When you have a loser, every single share is too many. Welcome to the Stock Market 101. That's how this game works. Thank you, everybody. Let's see here. What is going on? I like Amazon tonight. They're coming out with their numbers. I think we'll see amazing numbers from the overall feeling in the market. It's very positive. There's been rumors about a stock split too, apparently. We'll see if that actually happens or not. What else is going on here? Thank you, all of you. Christopher King, thank you for this donation. Bruce, how much sex and kids should I have? How much sex and kids should I have to be a millionaire? I'll put it this way. The more kids you have, the more expensive it gets, and that might keep you away from being a millionaire. It might take you from being a millionaire to not a millionaire, depending on how lavishly you spend on them. So be careful there, Christopher. I don't know. The other side, that one might not be up to you. That might be someone else's decision, how much of that you're going to get. I don't know. Be on your best behavior. What can I say? Hi, Bruce from Sharon. Hi, Sharon. How you doing today? So great to have you here today. Beautiful. Wally's World, Stock Markets with Bruce, and GameStop include all the colors of the rainbow. You betcha. Thank you, everybody. I know, why the face? Laughing out loud. Why the face? You need a bigger table. Let me know. This is the best one. Wally, like that one. I don't know what this means. That Miami Vice mug is kind of cool. It is kind of a cool looking logo. It looks really cool on T-shirts. It looks cool on all kinds of product. I know that we have some photos over here. Here's a great shot. This is a model that the Redbubble people let us superimpose the logo onto. But that's the look of the shirt right there. It's kind of neat. It looks kind of like a cruise ship in the background, doesn't it? With the pink and the blue there. It's all right. I like it. Yeah, we're excited. There's some more examples of the logos there. You can get that logo on just a ton of stuff. A ton of stuff. I think we have 70 products with that logo on it. All the logos. I think we have 63 logos between the two channels that I run, Stock Markets with Bruce and Traveling with Bruce. 63 logos. So if you want to support this channel with your coffee cup collection, I will tell you this: if you buy more than you buy 2 or more, you start getting discounts on the cost of your mugs. Some people go, "Oh wow, look at the price of one mug. That's a fortune." You buy 4 of them, you get like 20 or 25% off. So it's like you buy 3, get 1 free. And if you have a friend of yours or a relative of yours, you want to split the deal, buy 4 between you, or 8 or whatever, and just enjoy the savings and split the mugs and figure it out. There's ways, but anyway, thank you everybody for being here. Appreciate this. We are a minute away from opening this market off, so let's get going with the markets. Okay, everybody. Thank you everybody for being here.